Are you tired of complex investment strategies and high fees? Look no further than index funds. Index funds are a simple and easy way to invest your money without the hassle of trying to pick individual stocks or pay high fees to investment managers. With TataMutual funds, investing in index funds is even easier. Index funds simple hai with TataMutual funds. So, how do index funds work? Index funds are designed to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the SP 500. This means that when the index goes up, so does the value of your investment. And when the index goes down, so does the value of your investment. This passive investment strategy takes the guesswork out of investing and allows you to diversify your portfolio without having to actively manage it. Index funds are also known for their low fees, since there is no need for active management by investment professionals. This means more of your money goes towards your investment and less towards fees, helping your money grow over time. With TataMutual funds, investing in index funds is even easier. Their user-friendly platform allows you to easily find and invest in a variety of index funds, giving you access to a diverse range of investment opportunities with just a few clicks. Index fund simple hai with TataMutual funds. Whether you're new to investing or have been in the game for years, index funds are a great option for simplifying your investment strategy and maximizing your returns. And with TataMutual funds, you can take the simplicity of index fund investing to the next level. Say goodbye to complex investment strategies and high fees, and hello to the simplicity of index funds with TataMutual funds. Index fund simple hai